communication. So when we know how to communicate, and when we birthday, and then minura niya na birthday. Care in every drop, no? What's your story in that? To at least give you mine. We have different stories. So, I don't know. How to really remove that nervousness is to speak like a child from others. And you will not be easily shaken and rattled.
Blue.
Oh yeah, blue para may green. Sige, alright.
Manila water.
Really?
And
How it makes you feel and what it represents. Tomorrow, sabihin na rin, oh, okay ka na ba?
it was impactful because people thought
I had the opportunity to have a lot on how I'm going to deliver.
The thing is, if you hear that, paulit-ulit.
Soft as you breathe. In through the nose.
Why? Because the 7 P's, some of them, only within your control. Okay.
I need you.
When all people in your team are so supportive. Here, sabi mo.
yeah, pero there was
Ko din, parang may malaki yung
the one below that are my
but the way you make your audience feel so
Oh, that's a good idea. I'll collaborate. Of that. O, i-guard natin, baka magkapalit pa rin.
something like that.
Module 1, climate change overview. Goal ng iba,
Be open, right? And doing this releases all those tension. Aside pa,
ha! Ha!
yan. So,
Ha!
now, if it's not happening, you can lalo namin ready. Release all the tension, plus modulate your voice. Okay? Nakakatawa nga isang quote. And then kasama na yung shoulders.
Hindi na tayo coordinated.
Kanina first.
That I have that were impactful were first.
First one, sige tuloy mo.
The first one when
Are the three people I admire. Gain my confidence in speaking when our ikigai or our purpose in life.
even if you're so prepared with your points, your
Topic is the building confidence that my
Care in every drop.